Smile. Oh. Wala kayo, guess. What's the surprise?
Is it green?
Green.
Wait. So is it something that you hold only? Check.
Ah, sige. Okay. Green. Ay,
What
dito
is
pala.
it? What is it?
Wait, close mo na lang ng eyes. Close eyes.
I
Open. 1, 2, 3.
no fish. Fishy. Fishy.
Oh, don't shake it.
Fishy.
Slowly, ha?
That's what you like.
Yes. We can also open.
Where did you buy it?
Like, ganun yan. Ganun
We
yan.
can also open.
Yeah.
Fish food.
No, walang food pa. Kasi
Andun.
one time lang daw siya pakakainin.
Tomorrow pa
one
siya
day.
papakainin, okay?
Yo.
Every morning lang.
Oh.
Ayun lang.
Wait lang. I want to name him.
What? What's the name
Does it look like
of
right?
yours?
Is it Rumi?
Kasi yan, ito kay ate.
I think I'll name it Rumi.
What?
I
Dapat
name
Oh,
it.
don't shake it na ano siya, na-stress.
I don't know what
Dapat
to
ano
name.
siya ha, slow mo siya lagi to touch.
Anong name?
Dapat slow yung voice mo dyan, okay?
Wait.
Oh.
Wait, is it a girl?
Girl ba to? Hindi ko natanong
No.
kung girl eh.
Yo.
I'm gonna name it Ella.
Ella?
Ma'am,
Ikaw?
Bakit
I
siya
named
Ella?
Bella.
Bella. Sa'yo,
Bella,
Bella? Ella. Okay. This is Bella.
No, Bella.
Ella. Okay.
Ella? Mommy, the thing is,
Tingnan mo sila. Nagtitingin.